How to fix YouTube? There was a problem while playing Playback ID Error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is tap and hold the YouTube app and then click on Remove App. Now tap on Delete App and uninstall the application. Once done, reinstall it. After that, move into Settings of a device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into Apps. Search for the application YouTube. Once found, click on it. You have to make sure all of these options are toggled on: microphone, camera, photos, and overall. Once you have enabled all of these options, now go back and head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage. Head over to YouTube. Tap on Offload App and once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This will also fix the issue that you have been facing on YouTube, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.